back up. Everybody back up.
No way, Hugo's part of the team now. Am I driving?
See, and you guys don't have a 4-door. See, everybody get a 4-door.
So all your homies could come? Am I driving for real?
Bro, it feels like I'm in a cop or something.
No way. Hugo's filming with this bright ass camera.
Bro, it actually looks crazy. Universal Hollywood Productions in there.
And we made it. We just made it to the homie Chazzy's meet. Super excited, bro. It's gonna be lit probably. You guys all know the homie Chazzy. He's been in like all my vlogs recently, all the lit vlogs. Woo! Well, tonight he's doing a big old car meet slash all his takeover homies. Man, look at this thing. Hey! Are you gonna swing it?
Hell yeah! That's why I'm here.
I need to go with you though.
Come.
I'm down. Let me know.
Well, you'll know.
This is a homie. He used to have a blue 350Z and he drifts the freak out of it. Now he has a Corvette. This thing's fire, bro. And he drifts this now. The color, bro. Look at this shit, guys. Oh my god. This is like a car meet slash donut pit. So a lot of drifting and a lot of tires burning today. Watch. Bro, look at this showroom, bro. What is this? It's a sick ass shop, bro. They got some like cars right here. Crazy lighting. And then here, it's like a showroom, bro. It's like a bat cave, bro. This is crazy. Oh my god. This is insane, bro. This shop is crazy. I don't even know what shop this is, but it's crazy. Look at this. Bro, the lighting makes all the cars look so like clean. They look brand new. Everybody's drifting, but I can't even get to the front, bro. So many people here, bro. I can't even get through. I'm trying to make my way to the front. I made it.
This shit's insane.
I'm scared, bro.
You're scared?
I'm scared. Alright guys, so I guess this is the little donut pit. And look at how small it is, bro. This is scary.
We're gonna get smacked.
We're gonna get smacked, bro.
It's a V, bro.
100%. Look how much people are here, guys. And this little donut pit is not that big. I'm out. I like my life, bro. This is insane, guys. This might be the craziest thing I've ever felt in my entire life. Oh my god, bro. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Bro, that was fucking bad.
Oh shit. Bro, bring that fading in here.
Where'd you put
Please.
it? I don't know.
Go get that fading. Go get that fading.
It's stupid tight.
Yeah, I don't know how they're doing that, bro. That's wild. Bro, I think if you bought that video, you'll take out probably like 30 people, bro. Maybe 40 people, but this is where we at tonight. I'm super scared. Hopefully we make it out alive today. But that was close, bro. I feel like this is not gonna end well, guys. There's no way, bro. For how small this is. Look at the lighting in here. Like, this shit is crazy, bro. This shit looks like it just got ceramic coated or something. Damn, there's more cars over here, bro. This shop is insane. Look at this. This is crazy. We got ticket dismisses car in here. We literally saw this earlier today in the last vlog. He got pulled over. What's up, boss? Is it your car?
He left it open.
Bro, this place is crazy. Like crazy.
Look, an RWB, bro.
Oh, shoot. Damn, this shop keeps going and going, bro. Damn, this shit has a surfboard in here. That's crazy.
GJG cars, they're the go to Mercies.
Wow, this one's clean. Look at the wheels on this thing.
The best Lamborghini ever made.
Yeah, this one's beautiful. Yeah, there's some crazy cars here, guys. This thing's crazy, guys. Look at it. Wide body AMG GT. So sick. That red is beautiful. Bro, I have never seen this in my life. Holy shit, bro. Can you imagine that Fady doing that or what? That should be hard, bro. GTR?
With the dog.
What's up, bro? Bro, this is crazy. Oh my. I don't even know what to film, bro. Like, there's just so much going on at once. There's lowriders, drifting, and there's like a little car show in here. God damn. Alright guys, I think they're doing a two-step battle now. Supra? Is that a Supra? Uh-oh, the homie with the crazy GTR is back. Guys, the homie with the Mustang made it even louder, I guess. I guess he took off his mufflers today, so it's gonna be even crazier. Straight pipe, huh?
It's fucking so loud, bro. Your ears are about to be bleeding.
I know, my ears are definitely gonna be bleeding. We're in the fire zone right here, guys. He's scared, bro. I don't know where to stand either. Oh, hell no. Well, this shit will legit kill us right now. Bro. You're gonna look so official with this camera set up right now. No one's telling him anything.
Everybody back up. Everybody back up.
No way Hugo's part of the team now. Oh, we're actually gonna die right here.
I got shot at, bro.
Hey, now y'all know what we told you
That
about.
shit hurts, bro. Literally hurts.
I couldn't
bro.
even look that way.
I can't either.
I could not look.
That has to be the last thing I've ever experienced in my life. My whole body was shaking, bro. That was the loudest shit I've ever heard in my entire life.
bro.
I don't even want to go anymore, bro. Let's go. They could go, bro. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm not going over there no more. My ears hurt. Look at this shit. Sorry, guys. I can't film no more.
There's no way.
I'm done.
Yeah, we're good. Let's go.
I can't film the two-step no more, bro. My ears actually hurt. I'm not doing it, guys. It's too loud, so I can't.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.